What is quantum biology? Let's dive into this one. So the way I explain quantum biology is the exploration or the investigation of how subatomic interactions give rise to biological functions and actions in the body. It is the study of how the flow of electrons, protons, how photons of light and phonons from sound interact with our subatomic particles in the body with different proteins and receptors and enzymes, and how this gives rise to biological action. Let's look at some examples of this. For example, in the mitochondria, we have different chromophores or parts of a protein that can react to signals of light, different frequencies of light, and start to initiate action on a biological level. It starts to increase the efficiency of the flow of electrons and the production of ATP, that main energy source in the body. We also see these different light frequencies impacting almost every cell in the body. We know that phonons of sound impact the body in a mechanical way. And on this subatomic level, we know that these flows of electrons and protons and EMF, electromagnetic fields, produce a predictable and measured outcome in living systems and in our body. Now, when we're talking about these pillars of quantum biology, light, sound, the frequency of electromagnetic fields, of magnetism, of scalar technology, we can see that these all come down to a common denominator. They all come down to this frequency language and how our biology responds to different frequencies, again, of light, of sound, of EMF, magnetism, how this influences our overall biological function and action in the body. We know that this idea that we exist solely as chemical mechanical beings and that our body only reacts to chemicals is a much outdated model of the body, right? We know that our cells are communicating with electromagnetic frequency. We know that these pillars have a profound impact on our health and our biology. And so moving towards this quantum biological perspective, while it doesn't negate this chemical model, it gives us a new set of tools to apply to our health, to apply to our clients' and patients' health. Now, not everyone would agree with me on how I'm defining quantum biology. Some people really want to keep it in the realm of quantum physics and quantum computing and say that the effects that it has on living systems or biological systems are trivial, don't matter, or inconsequential. I would beg to differ. Some people would like to keep quantum biology in the realm of infancy, where it's not old enough yet, not investigated well enough yet to be applied to such things as human health. Again, I disagree. I think that we have a wealth of information when it comes to mitochondrial health, the frequencies of light and sound, circadian medicine, nutrition, and how all of these things impact our body, not to mention this incredible water body we have within us. So in the next 4 videos, I'm going to be diving into what I call the pillars of quantum biology: light, sound, water, and frequency. Please join me. If you like this content, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and let me know what your questions or comments are about quantum biology. Thank you so much for joining me.